Philemon. Chapter 1. Paul, a prisoner for Yeshua, and Timothy, our brother. To Philemon, our beloved and our co-worker, to Apphia, our sister, to Archippus, our fellow soldier, and to the church at your house. Grace to you and peace from God our Father and the Lord Yeshua. I give thanks to my God always, remembering you in my prayers as I hear of the love and the faith you have in the Lord Yeshua and for all the holy ones, so that your partnership in the faith may become effective in recognizing every good there is in us that leads to Christ. For I have experienced much joy and encouragement from your love, because the hearts of the holy ones have been refreshed by you, brother. Therefore, although I have the full right in Christ to order you to do what is proper, I rather urge you out of love, being as I am, Paul, an old man, and now also a prisoner for Yeshua. I urge you on behalf of my child Onesimus, whose father I have become in my imprisonment, who was once useless to you, but is now useful to both you and me. I am sending him, that is, my own heart, back to you. I should have liked to retain him for myself, so that he might serve me on your behalf in my imprisonment for the gospel. But I did not want to do anything without your consent, so that the good you do might not be forced but voluntary. Perhaps this is why he was away from you for a while, that you might have him back forever, no longer as a slave, but more than a slave, a brother, beloved especially to me, but even more so to you, as a man and in the Lord. So if you regard me as a partner, welcome him as you would me. And if he has done you any injustice or owes you anything, charge it to me. I, Paul, write this in my own hand. I will pay. May I not tell you that you owe me your very self? Yes, brother, may I profit from you in the Lord. Refresh my heart in Christ. With trust in your compliance, I write to you, knowing that you will do even more than I say. At the same time, prepare a guest room for me, for I hope to be granted to you through your prayers. Epaphras, my fellow prisoner in Yeshua, greets you, as well as Mark, Aristarchus, Demas, and Luke, my co-workers. The grace of the Lord Yeshua be with your spirit.